IELTS stands for the International English Language Testing System. It's a globally recognized standardized test of English language proficiency. It is designed to assess the language skills of individuals who want to study, work or immigrate to countries where English is the primary language of communication. IELTS is managed jointly by the British Council, IDP, IELTS Australia and Cambridge Assessment English. IELTS measures a test taker's ability to understand, speak, read and write in English. The test is available in two main formats. Number 1. Academic IELTS. This version is intended for individuals who plan to study at the undergraduate or postgraduate level in an English-speaking country. Academic IELTS assesses their ability to comprehend complex texts and engage in academic discussions. Number 2. General Training IELTS. This version is typically required for those who seek to work, migrate or undergo vocational training in an English-speaking country. It evaluates practical, everyday English language skills. But why is IELTS so important? Well, IELTS is considered important for several reasons. Number 1. Global recognition. IELTS is widely recognized and accepted by more than 10,000 organizations, including universities, colleges, employers, immigration authorities, and professional bodies in over 140 countries. Number 2. Immigration requirement. In many English-speaking countries, IELTS scores are a mandatory part of the immigration application process. Applicants must achieve a specific score to be eligible for immigration. Number 3. Academic and professional opportunities. Many universities and educational institutions require IELTS scores for admission to degree programs. Achieving a higher score can open doors to more prestigious institutions and scholarships. It is also often used by employers to assess the language skills of job applicants. Number 4. Language Proficiency Benchmark. IELTS provides a standardized measure of an individual's English language proficiency, making it easier for institutions and employers to assess a person's ability to communicate effectively in English. Number 5. Quality Assessment. The IELTS test is known for its rigorous and reliable assessment of language skills. It includes a range of tasks that evaluate listening, reading, writing and speaking skills, giving a comprehensive view of an individual's English proficiency. Number 6. Global mobility. IELTS scores can facilitate international mobility, enabling individuals to live, work and study in various English-speaking countries. It's important to note that IELTS scores are typically valid for 2 years, and candidates can retake the test if they wish to improve their scores. The importance of IELTS varies depending on an individual's goals and the specific requirements of the institution, employer or immigration program they are applying to. So make sure you check all these factors out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.